Crypto firms this year have leased about 72,000 square feet of grade A office space in the city. That's about 15% of the take-up that we saw among mainland Chinese firms this year. Are you seeing this as an anomaly, or is this more of a sustainable trend?
I believe it's a sustainable trend. We actually see office rents continue to rise steadily in 2018 due to strong demand and low levels of supply. We forecast a full-year rental increase of 8.5% in Hong Kong Island and 6.5% over in Kowloon. Another interesting trend is also co-working operators. Some of these crypto companies are initially launching in a co-working space, and these operators are continuing their aggressive expansion in Hong Kong. Operators accounted for more than 40% of first year's leasing transactions in Hong Kong. And these include deals which we transacted on, including WeWork, who leased 90,000 square feet in Quarry Bay, and Campfire, who leased 60,000 square feet over in Hong Kong.
So we are seeing a lot of these new entrants, as you say, these sharing office spaces as well as crypto firms. We have the traditional tenants, the likes of investment banks, though, looking for lower cost buildings. Are you seeing then a change in composition, and perhaps where are you seeing more of an appetite in the city?
Sure. In terms of investment banks, we are seeing them decentralizing back and mid-office operations. Examples include Goldman Sachs, who recently relocated their back office from the centre in Central to Hyson's new development over in Causeway Bay, which is around 93,000 square feet. JP Morgan, they recently committed to 250,000 square feet over in Link REIT and Nam Feng's building, Kwun Tong. And finally, BNP Paribas, who are consolidating their operations from Central over to Swires Taikoo Place.
Now, in this very building, Chung Kong Center, last month, BitMEX paid a world record-setting price for a full floor. Are we going to see more of those kind of milestones?
I believe so. I think the appetite will be coming from the crypto exchanges. It's no surprise BitMEX can afford the record rents, given their trading volume year to date is around $800 billion US. Furthermore, we transacted with DigiNex, who recently leased 8,000 square feet in IFC2, which is one of the most expensive buildings in the world. And finally, there's Genesis Block, who are Hong Kong's premier OTC trading exchange. They opened their trading floor and event space over in Wan Chai, and we're actually helping them expand their crypto ATM machines across Hong Kong, Singapore, and Taiwan.
So this is coming despite regulatory risks facing the crypto space. So it looks like they're optimistic, these players, about the industry. But what about the landlords? How are they feeling? How are they perhaps cushioning against potential risks?
Sure. I think landlords are certainly seeing a slight risk, which is why these companies like BitMEX are paying higher deposits compared to a traditional occupier.